Hello everyone, welcome to another video on Roku TV, how to cast or screen mirror media onto your Roku TV. Now before we get started, make sure to subscribe down below and let's get started with the video. So in order to do this, first what we need to do is we need to enable Roku TV to actually allow us to go and screen mirror our media to our Roku TV. So basically what we need to do is we need to make sure that we are pressing the home button on our Roku remote, which is right here. Then you will end up on this page, go to the settings. From the settings, go to the system, and from the system, you will go to screen mirroring right here, as you can see. Now here on the screen mirroring, as you can see, you have a couple of different options. Now make sure to select screen mirroring mode and press OK, and then choose your settings and press OK to see the screen mirror mode. Obviously, this needs to be you can choose prompt or always allow. I would recommend always allow because this will just allow your devices to be casted or screen mirrored on your Roku TV. As you can see, when device tries to cast to your TV screen, a prompt on your TV screen will ask you to confirm. This is if you select prompt, but if you select always allow, it will always be allowed. So whatever you want, you can choose. Now, as you can see, the menu selection screen mirroring device always allows you to set specific devices to always allowed and always blocked. So make sure to do that if you want to do that. So obviously, next up is to cast to Roku from an iOS mobile device. Now, to basically do that, you will need to tap the casting icon, right? Which is usually found in the top right corner. Or you can just drag down the section on your on your Android. I'm not sure. I'm using iOS, so I'm not really sure about that. But basically, you'll need to find this icon, right? After you find this icon, you can go and as you can see, you can connect to the device, Roku Ultra, Web TV, whatever. Just click on one, Roku, and then wait for your iOS device to connect to Roku. Then once it's connected, it will appear on the screen right here. Or you can basically go and if you selected always allow, it will be pretty much the same. But if you selected prompt, then you will need to click on the prompt, and then you will be able to basically control the settings. You can also go and tap the casting icon again on your iOS device or Android device and just click disconnect, and that will pretty much be it. You can also use screen mirroring on iOS. Obviously for this you will need to enable AirPlay, which is a video that we created not a long time ago. I actually think today was the video that we created, so you can check out some of our videos, specifically video how to set up Apple AirPlay on Roku TV. So if you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video.